国际新闻来关心全世界上界出名的沉船 Titanic 铁达尼号伫大海3800公尺深的大西洋海底，已经有100多年。有一只载人去看沉船的畅水船，即马传出失踪，船顶有5个人目前当地找找。
19日纽芬兰海岸花大西洋水域的海底，美国海防正针对一台观看铁达尼残骸的观光舰艇，甲加拿大方面合作，伫空中、海上展开大规模搜救行动。当局证实舰艇内面有5位人，包括英国好野人汪哈丁。
Put sonar buoys in the water in attempt to listen. The location of the search is approximately 900 miles east of Cape Cod in a water depth of roughly 13,000 feet. It is a remote area and it is a challenge.
海洋探险公司 OceanGate 发声明，讲这台舰艇18暗9点13分被通报失联。公司的顾问康卡农讲，这台舰艇的氧气会当将近96点钟，即马就要赶紧甲伊找到，互伊浮出水面。当局也已经派一个会当插到海底6000公尺深的遥控装置赶到现场。
It could have become entangled in the wreckage of Titanic. It could indeed have had a catastrophic failure. The actual nature of the seabed is very undulating. Titanic herself lies in a trench. There's lots of debris around, so trying to differentiate with sonar in particular and trying to target the area you want to search in with another submersible is going to be very difficult indeed.
这是 OceanGate 伫咧说的，这观光舰艇落去海底看1912年弄到冰山沉去的铁达尼号第3遍的年度航行，航程8天，每一个人要25万美金，差不多是大票770万。铁达尼号的船体1985年被发现，船体伫咧深海内面慢慢凹起解体，有笑这台船可能伫咧未来几60年就会全部消失。公司新闻黄文玲编辑。